Hi viewers, just want to do this quick video on sublimation problems. This is one of my earlier mugs that I did. Over on this left side you'll notice that the edge is blurry. If you look at these other ones that I've done, actually this one here is a little bit blurry, but this one here you'll notice it's got a nice sharp defined edge, and that's simply solved by, on this first one, when I put my paper around and taped it, I just had like one strip in the middle going horizontally and then another two strips up here on this side, and by leaving the edge exposed, that's what causes a blurry edge. So all you need to do is just run a strip of tape, so vertically down there, and just seal that edge off, and that'll give you that nice clean edge there. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.